738, let's fucking go. Okay, so in editor controller 2, we have a new function that takes the saw4bil 10-digit array and converts it to a byte by looking at the last 3 values. So we're going to input saw4bil here, and then we're going to error check. The only input it can be is the saw4bil that's connected to our editor game state editor object. And if it's not, we're going to throw an error, okay? The length of that array should be exactly 10, and if it's not, we're going to throw an error. Okay, down here. So here's the math for converting the last 3 digits into a decimal number, right? So we got the 100s place, the 10s place, and the 1s place. Add that all together, we got our number. Now, the number can be between 0 and 999, and if it's not, then we're going to throw an error, and then if it's over 255, we're going to cap it down to make it, well, in the range of a byte. If it is negative, then we really fucked up. Okay, so then we're going to return that as a byte here. We're going to use that as a byte function within the editor controller saw4bil n10 function, and let's just look at what we've done. So we have some constants here. So this is a function pointer to the function we just went over. This is a shorthand reference to the 10-digit array that we derived the byte from. And this is a shorthand reference to our editor. And this right here is the array, the 10-digit array converted to a byte value. Initially, it's going to be negative to signal that it's not been set. Let's go down here. Okay. So here's where we are adjusting the data-bound variable. That is like the variable that's kind of in focus within our editor game editor object. So if the red channel is currently bound, then we're going to interpret the saw4bil array as a byte, and then we're going to load that byte into the red channel member of our editor. And then if green is bound, we're going to load the byte into the green, and if the blue is bound, we load the byte into the blue, and if nothing is bound, we have a fucking problem, and then we're going to log out the information here to test that everything is correct. And then what we did previously in our diagrams and stuff, and all that good shit. So if you want a longer explanation, go here. We do not have any fucking time here. My name is Kanji Coder. I am making a game engine from complete scratch. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry game, and it is called Atomic Ivy MMO. Like and subscribe.